state-of-the-art infrastructure, scientifically structured course, outstanding faculty, dependable guidance, and exceptional facilities. All these under one roof at Jigsaw Education Private Limited. Jigsaw Abacus Viscate is a one-of-its-kind course which promises to nourish and develop a child's brain using abacus, a magical brain tool. What exactly is abacus? Abacus can be perceived as the first computer invented as early as 1220 AD by mankind. Going back to the roots is the trend of the day, and research too confirms that the traditional way is the best way. Jigsaw's course for the abacus is a proof of this, and the parents and children together vouch for it. An insight over the methodology. In the scientifically structured program, this course using abacus focuses on development of a child's brain and orients it in the right direction during the tender age of the 4 to 14 years, when the growth of the brain is at its maximum. Jigsaw Abacus Viscate is a set of 10 stages, 3-month each course, comprising of regular assessments, progress reports, and certificates that can boost any child's confidence and increase parents' trust. This special program helps to increase concentration, imagination, confidence, logical reasoning, innovation, and intellectual enhancement in a child, and all these together help to build his overall personality.
This course is particularly for the age group of 4 to 14 years because this is the right age when the 75% growth of a human being is being done. Through this course, their brain capacity is also maximized, which helps them throughout their lifetime.
With a vision to increase brain development and enhancing brain's abilities, Jigsaw rigorously updates its course contents to keep the students up to date and their minds constantly challenged.
This program energizes creativity, visualizing power, listening ability, but also helps in increasing their concentration power, confidence level, IQ level, and I think this is the best program for a child who wants a strong base.
She is my daughter Lavanya. She has joined Jigsaw 6 months back. I have seen a remarkable change in her. She has become more confident, smarter.
We combine fun and learning together. With the constant guidance of Jigsaw's seasoned faculty and the unique learning method that the course undertakes, it has been observed that students have shown incredible improvement and progress in their classrooms.
Abacus is fun. It has made maths easy for me.
The state-of-the-art institute makes sure that along with the studies, the overall personality of the students is also developed in the process.
When a new child joins in, he comes as a meek, average child who is good or not so good in maths. But after completing all his 10 stages, we get a brighter child who is more confident and brilliant in maths.
Jigsaw has helped me in improving my overall personality.
This ISO 9001-2000 institute has grown at a remarkable pace, opening a considerable number of branches and franchisees all over the country to accommodate an increasing number of inmates from only 100 in 2006 to over 5,000 at present. Jigsaw quality policy includes Jigsaw holds regular seminars, trips, picnics and competitions to bring the students out of their shells and making education a fun process for them to get a wholesome experience.
All the functions of left part such as cramming, logical analysis, the numbers, alphabet, and right part's functions are creativity, concentration, confidence, idea generation, future planning. Both the parts of the brain are getting exercised, and that too in a proper coordination.
It's important for an institute of Jigsaw standing to maintain high standards. Constant steps are thus taken by the management and the designated authorities.
The purpose is to make a child quicker in calculation, for which we design the course in such a manner that eventually the student can visualize abacus and calculate easily in his mind. The results have been outstanding.
This institute caters to every intellectual and emotional need of a child, along with developing and nourishing a sound mind. This is why parents have continued to show relentless trust in the institute, and Jigsaw is proud of this fact.
Whenever he returns home, after a class, he feels happier and more confident.
My child lacked concentration and she was afraid of maths and competition with peers. But since she has joined Jigsaw, there's been monumental change in her.
Not just academically, but their overall personality has enhanced.
I have complete trust in Jigsaw and I recommend it to my friends for their children too.
The newly launched programs have proved to be a success, and Jigsaw only plans to introduce more courses to cater to as many children as possible and bringing smiles to as many faces as achievable.
Arithmetics and calculation don't scare me anymore. Maths is so much fun now.
I top maths in school now, thanks to Jigsaw.
Jigsaw is like a second home to me. Maths is so much fun now. I love coming to Jigsaw.
So parents, bring your children to this flourishing institute so that they can gain the learning, the confidence and the culture to win the world.
जब से मुझे जिग्सा अबेकस एजुकेशन के बारे में पता चला तो इससे मुझे काफ़ी फायदा हुआ है और इससे बच्चे बड़े लाभान्वित हो रहे हैं। उनकी लर्निंग स्पीड, इमेजिनेशन पावर, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस और कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ रहा है, जिससे उनके पेरेंट्स भी इससे खुश हैं।
It gives me really immense pleasure interacting with them and making me independent woman.
We are very much satisfied that we have entered in alliance with the group because we are getting good results financially. I motivate other people to get the franchisee of this program.
The responses which I am getting from the parents who are coming to me and getting their children admitted to our center are giving me very positive feedback, and they're finding that changes are there in their children, which is improving the confidence of their children. They are speaking very well now. They have improved their concentration, listening skills in just a short time of span. Of course, they are developing in their mathematics. Their performance is much better than earlier. I'm glad to be a franchisee.
I feel this is a very noble business because I've got a lot of respect from the society, as well as I've become an independent woman. Besides making a handsome income, I feel very glad when parents appreciate their children's progress. So I get a lot of job satisfaction from this.